There's a popular open source language model called Mixtral, and on paper it has 47 billion parameters. But every time it generates a single word, it only uses about 13 billion of them. The other 34 billion just sit there doing nothing. And this isn't a bug, it's the whole point. So how does the same model have so many parameters, yet use only a fraction of them at a time? In a normal transformer, every token passes through the same big feed-forward network. One block used for everything. The mixture of experts' idea is to replace that one block with a small committee. You take many smaller networks, each one its own little FFN, and you let each input pick which one to use. So instead of one generalist that knows a bit about everything, you get many specialists, plus a tiny manager that decides who handles what. Same job, different shape. That manager is called the router, and it's surprisingly simple. You take the input vector x, multiply it by a small matrix WG, and pass the result through a softmax. That gives you a probability over all the experts. Now, in practice, you don't actually want every expert to chip in a little. You only keep the top case scores, usually just 1 or 2, and you set the rest to 0. So, out of say 8 experts, only the 2 most relevant ones get to do any work for this particular token. And once you've picked your experts, you combine their outputs with the formula y equals the sum of g of x sub I times e sub I of x. The g of x sub I is the gate weight, the score the router gave this expert, and e sub I of x is what that expert actually computed. Because the gate is sparse, most of these terms are exactly 0. You're not running every expert and throwing the results away. You're literally not running them. The computer graph for this token only includes the experts that won the vote. This is what people mean by conditional computation. The total parameter count of the model is huge because all the experts exist and all of them are being trained. But the per token compute is small because each token only ever lights up a few of them, and the experts genuinely specialize. Common words like "the" tend to route to one set of experts. Code-like tokens go elsewhere, scientific words elsewhere again. Different inputs get different subnetworks, all stitched together inside a single model. So, this is the trick. The formula looks like an ordinary weighted sum over n experts, but most of the weights are 0, so most of the experts never get touched. Capacity grows with n, the number of experts you can afford to store. Compute stays at k, the small number you actually run. Modern frontier models lean on this hard because it's basically the only way to keep growing parameter counts without your inference bill growing along with them. And that's basically it. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next one. Bye bye.